Hey everybody, I'm Adam.
And I'm Gary from Brightengale.
And today we're talking about the Blizzard Aria. Yes, viewers, you're right. This is not the same light that was just on the table. But I feel like we can't talk about the Blizzard Aria until we talk about what a LECO light is. And I feel like one of the industry standards is the ETC Source 4. These have been around for decades. They're everywhere. You've seen them. You've seen things lit up by them. You know, ETC, Strand, there's lots of manufacturers that have been making this kind of light for years. What makes it so popular is that the beam of light that it outputs is very, very controllable. This is the lens. They're removable. You can swap them out to make a big wide one, a really narrow one. You've got these shutters. These shutters allow you to control where the light goes and where it doesn't go, making it really, really flexible.
Yeah, so you've seen this light at lots of places, right? You've seen this in theaters, house of worship, I don't know, probably museums, like lots of places. If you needed to shine a light on something sort of specific and keep it off the other stuff, they probably use this one. Yeah, so in the 2010s, the LED versions of these started getting more popular, and we started putting those in because, lots of reasons, right? Like these guys, the traditional ones, they run super hot. You can only put a few of them on a single circuit before you need to, get a new circuit, put another few on. Whereas the LED ones, right, they run way cooler. You can put, I don't want to say an exact number, you put more than a few on a single circuit. As the technology moved forward, that became the new standard.
So we're talking about replacing all these lights with LEDs. So ETC has done a really cool thing along with some other manufacturers where, say you've already invested and you've got dozens, if not hundreds of these in your facility, these things being well over $1,000 a piece in an LED format, that is an expensive upgrade. So what they offer is you can actually replace part of the light source on this light with an LED element and keep everything else, keep all your infrastructure the same, swap that out, and you have an upgrade. And that's a really nice feature that makes this a good solution. However, Blizzard also has another good solution.
Yeah, so now the LEDs, these ones, or ones like this, they're the one. We like the Blizzards. There's other ones that are also good. ETC makes a good one.
Chauvet makes a good one.
Lots of people make a good one.
Yeah, we like the Blizzard ones right now. We think quality of the light for the money lines up pretty well.
Yeah.
Of course, the LED Source 4 is a fantastic light. It is a more expensive light, and you do pay for that. Where we think this kind of hits a nice sweet spot. It's got all the standard features, PowerCon in and out, DMX in and out. All the standard...
The standard lenses got 19, 26, 36, and 50 degree.
Mm-hmm. All the good stuff.
All the normal things.
Yeah, so the Blizzard Aria, you've got your standard knobs here to loosen, adjust the lens.
Yeah, I call that the innie-outie.
Good old innie-outie?
Yeah.
What do you call this?
Also the innie-outie.
Also the innie-outie of the shutters. All right. You've got your yoke. On the back, you've got the... standard kind of thing you would see on most LED fixtures. You got a little screen, set your set your DMX channel. You can set different dimming curves on this to match your existing fixtures. You got DMX in and out, and you've got PowerCon in and out, so you can daisy chain your lights together to make installation easier.
Yeah.
You also have this nice little hook for your safety cable. So this is comparable to like a standard traditional lamp, 750 watt LECO, and our ellipsoidal fixture. And this is doing it with a 200 watt LED. And so if you need help choosing what kind of lighting is right for your facility, leave a comment below, shoot us an email, or give us a call. Thanks.